Hey guys, welcome back to Texas E36 Garage. Little late start today. It's noon already, is it? Yeah, it's like 12:15. Headed over to the house. We're gonna build the plan is to build the garage wall today. The new wall for the new garage wall, and get that all squared away and get a lot of our electrical run for the walls that we've already done. So the wall under the windows that you saw last video, the wall that we took out and everything, we have dangling plugs. We need to put the plugs into that wall so that we can actually finish sheetrocking all of that. So that's the plan today. I am headed over to the house, gonna grab the trailer, and then we're gonna head to, we're actually gonna go to Home Depot this afternoon, to get all our 2x4s and everything. And I'm dropping off the Christmas tree at my house. And I also have a small little surprise that I'm picking up at Home Depot. And I'm hoping that they still have them all. They did the other day. And you'll see, guys, when we get to Home Depot. Little surprise in store for the garage. So see you guys in a second. So guys, this is my little special gift to myself. Nice, super big new Husky 52-inch 13 drawer tool chest for the garage. It'll nicely sit on the new little shelf that we're building, but I'm going to combine both my toolboxes I have now into this one and actually get organized, I hope. So guys, what the plan is today is we're gonna get the new garage wall built here, take the AC unit out, get this all framed in, and you see our new boxes. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got a couple new boxes there, and new boxes on this wall. So we're gonna run all our electricity for all those plugs, and after we frame the wall, of course. But right now, we need to clean this area up, all of this here. Need to clean all of this up and get this out of the way, and most likely it's gonna go right over here, but get this all out of the way so that we can start cutting back the ceiling, cutting back the floor, and building our wall. Okay guys, well, we have the line where the new wall for the garage is going to go. As you see, it's a red snap line on there. I had the saw out and going to start cutting this floor. So we're cutting out the wood floor and the subfloor so that we can build our new wall, you know, safely on concrete, just like that wall is, just that it's going to be here. So let's get to it, guys. So guys, we have the floor removed. We need to remove the ceiling, so I'm going up in the attic and I'm going to shop back all of the insulation out of the ceiling as much as I can from where we're pulling this down, so that we don't have a bunch of insulation flying around like we did last time. So, protection, shop vac, and let's get to work. Okay guys, we have the header up, as you can see. Double plate header, double plate base. We have one 2x4 on either side. We now are going to cut all of these to go here. As you see, we marked, I don't know if you can see or not, we marked 16 inches on center all the way down, and that is where the center of every single stud is going to go. So, gonna get the cutting and then putting them up. Okay guys, well, the wall is up. So this is gonna be the new garage wall. Let's step inside. This, which doesn't look very big on camera, but it's 2 foot. This wall here is coming out, and then will be open to the garage. So this will be the new garage wall. It's gonna be nice. This is gonna be my shelf wall slash work table slash new toolbox sitting area, so it'll be all good. Well, that's it for this video. We are done for this weekend, which we got a lot of wiring done, the wall built, and wiring. That's what we did mostly. This we took some sheetrock down. We didn't put any up, but we took some down. So, thanks for watching, guys. Check the next video. Probably be putting sheetrock up in these areas that we did electrical. Hopefully sheetrock on this wall. And then we can knock down the garage wall and open the garage up so we can start working in there, getting that. But See you guys next time. Subscribe, like the video. Also, go pick up a sticker off of my website, which is going to be in the description below. Grab a sticker, help support. See you guys next video.